we got to put a lot of work in and be more committed than we was this spring.
How much has Coach Hobby meant for you? I was talking to him before the game, just talking about, you found a picture of him way back in his playing career. He just pictures you. How much does it mean to you to have a coach that you have that kind of relationship with?
I mean, Coach Hobby is good coach. We just done a good relationship over the years. That bond that we done created is just helped me out a lot. It's like a father-son, I guess. He just been there for us, and he helps us out and trying to get us to the next level.
Just my coaches mentioned at one point last year, they want to see more consistency from you. Has that been a big thing for you, just more commitment, more constant effort on your part?
Yes, sir. I'm okay with the commitment because I believe that if I'm on the field, I'm going to be more committed on and off the field. So whatever the coaches have for me, whatever they want me to do, I'm okay with it.
Is there some excitement for you being have a chance to maybe lock in a full-time position as well as far as that a big step for you?
Oh yeah, I mean, hopefully I can get the job done. I've been starting the past couple of weeks, so going into this first game, I feel like me being a starter, I feel like I can go out there and help my team get the victory.